Welcome back everyone for one more video. This time Django-Oscar sightings. Going to be following this post in my blog. I'm gonna leave the link in the description in case you want to follow from there. And first thing, I have in there a link to the Django-Oscar documentation just to let you know that there are many settings that you could use, such as Oscar homepage, for instance. So you can configure a lot of things just with this type of settings. Display settings, order settings, checkout settings, review, communication, offer, miscellaneous. Well, it's a matter of exploring them. I'm not going to cover all of them. There are probably hundreds. So I just picked some common ones and we'll take a look on the process. So first thing, actually I'm going to drag this to my other screen, close that one, and let's go with a shared divided screen. First one is Oscar shop name that we can try. So it's basically going to change the name of the store. It will remove Oscar and use bookstore. Simple. Actually, the whole video will be quite simple. No complex things, not a lot of code this time. Oscar shop tagline. So this will show a little tagline after the store name. Okay. Now this one is a lot more useful, which is the Oscar default currency. So personally, I'm gonna set it to euros. If you want to make it dollars, just use USD and euros. Now you notice that this is not going to change the already created product's currency. Let's save and reload. They remain in pounds. But there is one thing that already changed, that is the card currency. Anyway, there's interesting things that will go on. If you want to change the currency of the already created products, you simply come here to the product, change it to euros. Let's save that and reopen it in the catalog. 15 euros now. As expected, when you create a new product now, it will be using euros by default. Okay, that's it for the currency. Now, there's this setting for Oscar required address fields. So first name, last name, line 1, and postcode are now required fields. You can see this. I'm actually going to comment so you can see the difference. You can see that the required fields have the red asterisk, and by default you have country, postcode, city. But if you only define these four, it will remove the required fields from some of them, such as city. Let's take a look. There you go, city is not required anymore. Well, it is totally optional. I'm just letting you know that it does exist. Now, one other, allow anonymous reviews. False. It's up to you. What this will do is require users to be authenticated in order to make a review on the product. So to make a review, you can come here. Well, I'm actually logged in, so it will always let me to do. Try that again. This product does not have any reviews yet, but that's it. It won't let me write one. So if you want to write it, you will have to log in. And now you can write a review. This will prevent a lot of spamming, I believe, because bots will find your forms and spam you. Anyway, one last one, moderate reviews. So this means that if you make a review on a product, the moderator or the super user, the admin, will need to accept it. Let's see, which one is this? Loved it. 5 stars. Definitely recommend this book. Save review. It's not showing yet. Let's maximize this and go to the dashboard. Content, reviews. Here you have status requiring moderation. Well, you can simply use the status as approved. Let's see and get back to that product. So the science of getting rich. And now it's showing. There you go. So that's about it for this video. There are many more configurations that you can do. Alright, this was a simple video, I believe. I hope you liked it. I hope you're enjoying the series on Django-Oscar. And thanks for all the support. Hope to see you again, and bye.